This is day one of getting to $100,000 per month. My name is Tobias, I'm 22 years old and I am going to document my personal journey. Why? Because other people that did it, they don't regret it. Just look at Mark Zuckerberg with his social network, or Steve Jobs with his own movie, or look at Iman Gadzhi documenting every single struggle. Less is more, and for that reason, let's drop this editing style and keep it real simple. So Tobias, what is this video all about? This video is most likely not going to be seen before it's very relevant. And I love the thought of that. I don't mind this video having 5 views or 0 views after some time, because that is not the point of this video, to somehow go viral. The goal of this video is to prove that everything is possible and to also introduce myself before I have done what I'm about to do. And that is to grow to $100,000 a month. My name is Tobias, but I'm calling myself Toby for this project. And I have a big dream. A dream to do something extra out of life. And my chosen field is business. But why exactly $100,000? I could say 10K, or I could even say $1 million, because why stop when you first reach 100K? But let me explain. $10,000 a month I have already accomplished in 4 different industries. The first one was reselling and flipping. That was everything from physical items to digital items, such as inside of video games. The second space was investing. The third space was inside of sales. And the fourth space was inside of affiliate marketing. The number $100,000 per month, it doesn't scare me. But still, I've never personally been close. And that is exactly why I want to document this journey. Because I want to prove that it can happen much quicker than you truly think. But Toby, how will you get there? I am not going to gatekeep anything inside of this series. I am going to show you exactly what I do, how I do it, and also I want to show you where I am income-wise in my journey. So this is the beginning of this series. This series is a short form series, which will be uploaded to YouTube Shorts on this exact account. It will be uploaded to the TikTok channel, Toby200K, and also to the same Instagram account, Toby200K. But also, I have planned to jump on here on YouTube, maybe once a month, every second month, just to update, go a little bit more in detail, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever, and really show some updates. I didn't call this challenge 100K in 100 days or anything like that, but I have still set a date. My personal goal of making $100,000 per month, it's set to the 31st of December 2024. Why? Because you need a date in mind to attract a possible outcome. Without a date of a goal, no process can truly start happening in the way that it should be. Does it have to happen before the 31st? No. Can it happen? Maybe. But will it happen? Yes, sure, if I personally believe. And that is how it works. Intention plus consistency equals results. I am personally super excited for this project. I won't overthink it, over-edit it, overdo it. I won't overhype the project, or I won't glorify anything. I don't want to sugarcoat the business world for everyone watching. I want it plain, raw, and straightforward. But again, how will I get there? These are the sectors that I will be in from the beginning. And these are in no particular order, and it will get added some, and maybe I'll remove 1 or 2 as well. My chosen fields are finance, affiliate marketing, personal brand, communities, and side hustles. Why these 5 exactly? Inside of finance, you have a lot of different things to do, and I'm already doing some of them. Inside of the affiliate marketing space, you also find sales. If you build a personal brand, you have the reach to do whatever you want with it. Building communities is super powerful, and teaching others about side hustles, also doing themselves, leading by example, is also really relevant for 2024. So let's go. This is day 1 of getting to $100,000 per month.